Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my first impressions with the bread making machine by Breadman. The machine came with a few measuring devices. So we have a measuring cup that measures cups and also measures ounces. Also a device that measures tablespoons and teaspoons. And then the machine comes with this book, and one side of it is instructions and tips and the other side are recipes. So this is kind of two things in one combined, so that you don't ever have to lose your recipe book or your instruction book. So this little space right here, I'll be talking about it later, but this is basically for adding some nuts or any add-ons that the recipe asks for. As you can see, there are very few buttons, and then next to it on the actual door you can see the menu. So in the recipe book, the ingredients are listed for you in the order you are going to be adding to the bread pan. So that really makes the process really easy. And then as you can see on the right hand side, the instructions are super simple. All you need to do is really add everything in the order and then just turn the machine on. So I filmed this process for you guys so that you kind of get an idea of what it is like to use the bread making machine. So all I'm doing right now is adding one by one the ingredient list into the bread pan. I'm adding everything in order it is listed in the ingredients section. So it says that it will take 4.5 hours. I do not see that the bread is turning right now, but I hear some sort of clicking sounds coming from inside. I'm assuming that the machine is just getting warmer and that's what's happening. And we'll see. I'll give it a few minutes, but I know that it's working because the time is going down. I don't know if you guys see the smoke coming out, but there's smoke coming out from here. This is where you actually put nuts or add-ons to the bread, but I can feel the heat a little bit. I would have to say I'm very pleased with the bread making machine. Yes, I am kind of old-fashioned in this, and I do prefer how handmade breads look. I was searching for a circle bread making machine, but I was unable to find it. Handmade bread, yes, it's more beautiful, but it is definitely time consuming and you can't really possibly make the bread every single day. Bread making machine is definitely a good alternative. So last night I went ahead and I made 2-pound bread. If you have enough ingredients, I would always go for the 2 pounds. Here is the bread. This is 2-pound bread. It's very heavy, very dense, very crunchy, very soft inside. I am so impressed with the bread making machine. I am very glad. Yes, I know this part right here is kind of like bursted. I'm not sure why exactly, but you know, machines do that. Unfortunately, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It needs your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.